Do you feel that your English is correct but still sounds too simple? Do you understand English, you can speak, but it doesn't sound fluent? If yes, then today you are going to learn the real difference between simple English and fluent English, and how you can move from simple speaking to fluent speaking step by step. First, understand one important thing. Simple English is not wrong. It is correct, clear, and useful. In fact, every fluent speaker starts with simple English. But fluent English sounds smoother, more natural, and more connected. The difference is not just words. The difference is how you use those words. Let's understand this with examples. Simple English, I am tired. Fluent English, I am a bit tired today. Simple English, I like this place. Fluent English, I really like this place, it feels very comfortable. Simple English, I am busy. Fluent English, I am a little busy right now, I will talk later. You can see the difference. Simple English is short and direct. Fluent English adds flow and natural feeling. Now let's understand how to make this change. The first step is adding small details. Instead of speaking very short sentences, try to add one more idea. For example, simple, I am happy. Fluent, I am really happy today because I achieved my goal. Now your sentence sounds complete and natural. The second step is using connectors. Connectors help you join ideas smoothly. Words like and, but, because, so. For example, simple, I am tired. I will sleep. Fluent, I am tired, so I will go to sleep. Simple, I am learning English. I want to improve. Fluent, I am learning English because I want to improve my communication. This makes your speaking smooth. Now the third step. Using better vocabulary. Fluent English often uses stronger and more expressive words. Simple, I am very happy. Fluent, I am delighted. Simple, I am very tired. Fluent, I am exhausted. Simple, this is very good. Fluent, this is excellent. These small changes make a big difference. Now the fourth step. Using natural expressions. Fluent speakers don't always speak like a textbook. They use natural phrases. For example, simple, I am fine. Fluent, I am doing great. Simple, what are you doing? Fluent, what are you up to? Simple, I am busy. Fluent, I am tied up right now. These expressions make your English sound more real. Now the fifth step. Speaking with rhythm and pauses. Fluent English is not only about words. It is also about how you speak. Simple speakers often speak word by word. Fluent speakers speak in phrases. They take small pauses. They speak smoothly. For example, I am learning English because I want to improve my communication skills. This sounds more natural. Now let's do a small comparison. Simple speaking. I woke up early. I was tired. I went to work. Fluent speaking. I woke up early today, but I was still feeling tired, so I went to work slowly. Now it sounds like real communication. Now let's do some practice together. Repeat after me. Simple, I am happy. Fluent, I am really happy today. Simple, I am tired. Fluent, I am a bit tired right now. Simple, I like this. Fluent, I really like this, it's very interesting. Again. Simple, I am happy. Fluent, I am really happy today. Simple, I am tired. Fluent, I am a bit tired right now. Simple, I like this. Fluent, I really like this, it's very interesting. Now say it with confidence. Now let's build a small fluent conversation. How are you doing today? I am doing great, thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing English because I want to improve my speaking. That's good, keep going. Now this sounds natural and fluent. Now let's talk about one important mistake. Do not try to sound fluent by using very difficult words. Fluent English is not complicated English. It is simple English used in a natural way. Clarity is more important than complexity. Now imagine your progress. If you start adding small details, using connectors, and improving your vocabulary, your English will slowly become fluent. You don't need to change everything in one day. Just improve one sentence at a time. Now final practice. Repeat after me. I speak simple English clearly. I improve my sentences daily. I am becoming fluent. Again. I speak simple English clearly. I improve my sentences daily. I am becoming fluent. Now feel the difference. So start today. Use simple English. Then upgrade it step by step. Add details. Add connectors. And your English will become fluent naturally.